Do you want to elevate your style and look sophisticated yet classy? Well, look no further, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to dress in that timeless old money aesthetic. The best part is that despite this look being all about quality, elegance, and aristocracy, it's not just for the old and wealthy. Anyone can pull it off with the right guidance. So if you're ready to elevate your style and become a high-value man, here's a step-by-step guide to dressing in that old money aesthetic. Number 1. Stay minimalist. When shopping for new pieces, prioritize quality and simplicity over flashiness and trendiness. To achieve this aesthetic, keep your wardrobe clean and understated. Remember that fashion statement pieces are best left for the runway and should not be part of your everyday wardrobe. Number 2. Classic colors. No matter the item that you buy, always stick to classic colors and their variations like white, black, beige, navy, and darker shades of green. Avoid trendy colors and patterns commonly seen in modern streetwear, and instead choose elegant patterns that will never go out of style, like vertical stripes and houndstooth. Number 3. Timeless pieces. The old money style is characterized by high-quality, classic, and timeless pieces. Shirts should have a simple and minimalist design. In the summer months, polo and Oxford shirts are excellent choices. For a more formal look, go for a classic button-up made from premium natural fabrics such as cotton or silk. As the weather cools down, you can incorporate cable knit or ribbed sweaters in neutral colors to add some variety to your look. Classic styles and fabrics are essential when it comes down to pants. You should consider wool trousers, chinos, or dress pants for a refined, classy look. The most versatile fabric is cotton, which can be changed to wool during the winter months and linen during the summer. Shorts and t-shirts are not typical for this aesthetic. However, in hot weather, you can still maintain a classic and sophisticated look by choosing tailored chinos or Bermuda shorts. When it comes down to t-shirts, a plain, well-fitting t-shirt in a neutral color can provide a versatile base for layering or pairing with classic pieces. Classic footwear made from high-quality leather, such as loafers, brogues, and Oxford shoes, are considered excellent choices. While sneakers may not be traditionally associated with the old money style, there are a select few designs that can be worn. Choose minimalist sneakers made from white leather or canvas materials. To truly elevate your style to the next level, you'd need premium outerwear. Having a coat from a high-end Italian brand can add a sense of luxury, even when you're wearing inexpensive shirts and pants. You don't necessarily need to spend a fortune on designer coats. Instead, consider investing in one high-quality piece that will last you for years to come. Choose an item that is well-tailored and has a timeless appeal. To find the best outerwear brand, see the video on this channel about the best old money aesthetic clothing brands. Number 4. Tailor your clothes. Even the most expensive and well-made clothes won't look great if they don't fit you in the right way. Find a good tailor who can adjust your wardrobe to fit you perfectly. They can adjust the length, width, and shape of a garment to suit your body type and create a customized fit that flatters your figure. Number 5. Classic accessories. Simplify your accessories to achieve an elegant look. Stay away from flashy or trendy items and go with classic pieces that will always be in style. Focus on simple and understated accessories that add a subtle touch of luxury to your outfit. When choosing the belt, go for a silver or gold buckle with black or brown leather material. Never buy belts with logos as buckles. Although they may look appealing and cost a fortune, real old money would never wear something that loud. Instead, spend some money on a quality wristwatch. It doesn't have to be a luxurious Rolex, Omega, or Cartier. Simply go with a minimalistic design and leather strap. In glasses, always look for high-quality materials such as acetate or metal. I recommend Ray-Ban, especially their most popular models, the Wayfarer and Aviator. But remember, when picking a model, always choose the one that suits your face shape. Number 6. Old money perfume. Selecting the perfect fragrance is a crucial final step in enhancing your appearance and achieving the old money aesthetic. In my upcoming video, I'll provide tips on how to choose the right scent. Subscribe to my channel to not miss out on this valuable information. We'll see you later.